see on television. The tasks are really hard. You are genuinely so exhausted.
Some big personalities as well, vying for...
100% because...
So, we've been disturbed by...
Oh, it's gone off. Thank
Attention.
An alarm.
Attention. Please evacuate
May mean
nearest available
that
exit.
we
I'm
have
so
to
sorry.
slow things down for a moment. I'm so
We're
sorry,
really
everyone.
sorry.
We'll see. For the time being, we're going to have to leave the studios. So we'll see if we can come back before the end of the show and talk about cake.
Thank you. Enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day. I think we are going to have to go. Harpreet, I'm so sorry.
No, don't worry.
That's terrible. When you brought your cakes.
Attention.
Yeah.
Attention. Please evacuate the building by
It's
the
worth
nearest
saying.
available exit.
So sorry.
Do not use the
Don't
lift.
apologise.
We think we've gone off air. We don't know. If you're watching, thank you for watching. Goodbye. This is where we say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Attention.